One of the things we were playing with in the film, which we really didn't get to, was this idea of 3D printing. We were going to this idea that everything would be 3D printed on location, and I understand you all have already adopted some of that. Yes?
Yeah, absolutely. We've had several experiments up here. So some of the experiments we're doing here are technology demonstrations to prove out a concept that we hope to apply as we go back to the moon and as part of the Artemis program. And so things like tools and simple things that might be easy to print on demand when you need them, so that you don't have to launch every conceivable object with you when you're going on that long trip to the moon or that extremely long trip to Mars. You can just take some stock with you, some feedstock, and then just throw that in the printer and then print out what you need. So we've done those things, and we continue to experiment with those.